In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a newsletter on Substack in 2025, specifically tailored for beginners. We'll go through each step to ensure you grasp every detail of launching your very own Substack newsletter. So, let's get started on this exciting journey into newsletter publishing. First, we're going to create a publication, which is the foundation of your newsletter. Head over to Substack and sign in. If you're new to Substack, don't worry, it's quite easy to sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the upper right corner of the page where you'll see your account icon. Click on it and select Settings. This is where you can adjust various settings for your publication. Here, you'll find the option to create another publication. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose a name for your publication URL. Make sure you pick something catchy yet descriptive to convey the essence of your newsletter. Once you've settled on a name, click Continue to move forward. Now, if you already have a mailing list, Substack makes it easy to import it. Simply click on Select File to upload your mailing list, and your contacts will be ready to receive your upcoming newsletters. Alternatively, if you're just starting out, you can add subscribers one by one using their email addresses. After filling up your email list, hit Continue. Congratulations, you are now ready to create your first post. Click on New Post and then choose Text Post. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Begin by crafting a compelling title for your post. Titles are crucial because they are often the first thing your reader will notice. Make sure it's engaging and informative. After that, you can include a highlight to emphasize the key message or takeaway from your content. Add a subtitle to provide further context or to entice the reader. Now, it's time to dive into the body of your message. Write in a way that reflects your voice, focusing on clarity and engagement. Once you're happy with the content, locate the Continue button in the upper right corner and click it. This takes you to the distribution settings. Here, you can decide whether to send your post to everyone or just to your paid subscribers, depending on your content strategy and audience preferences. Comment settings are also an important aspect to determine whether everyone can comment or if you'd like to disable comments entirely. Don't forget to add tags. Tags are a handy tool to categorize your content, making it easier for readers to discover your posts. Finally, decide whether you want to schedule the post or send it instantly. When you're ready, choose Send via email in the Substack app. On the final screen, you have the option to send to everyone immediately. If you plan on posting regularly, consider adding subscribe buttons to encourage new readers to sign up. Once everything is set, click Continue and then Send to everyone now. And there you have it, you've just launched your first newsletter on Substack.